Welcome to the only course you need for you to master web and mobile design. Whether you're a complete beginner looking to become a designer and freelance, or you're a designer who's looking to charge more for their work, or you're a developer who's looking to improve their design skills, this brand new course will take you from the very basics, where we talk about principles and fundamentals of graphic design, all the way to creating beautiful products, learning about UX, UI, and interactions, and creating a full design process for you to use with all your future projects and clients. We pretty much cover it all so that the next time you're in charge of designing a product, you have the step-by-step outline and guide to work as a professional designer. We are going to teach you the skills that will allow you to charge a lot of money for your time, not to compete for a few dollars an hour on some random freelancing website. The goal is to give you the skills of a top designer. Along the way, we're going to design an actual product from start to finish for a company, and you'll be able to add this to your portfolio. We are going to learn all the modern tools and software used by top companies today, like Figma, and we even include over 100 assets and premium design templates that you can keep and use to customize for all your future projects. We'll even show you how to build websites and put your portfolio online. But here's the thing, when learning a skill like design, you want to be taught by someone who actually works in the industry and has dedicated their lives to this field, not just another freelancer with a few projects. Now, design is a valuable skill that doesn't get outdated easily like most technical skills out there. Trends change, but the skills and fundamentals you learn in this course will take you many years into the future. Skills that you can use to work remotely and to work with anyone in the world, because everyone needs a designer. Design is a skill that can be learned just like any skill. You don't have to be artsy or good at drawings. No, we all start from zero, but we will take you to mastery. We guarantee you this is the most comprehensive online course